So very good morning, dear students. Let us continue with where we have left, that is factorization chapter exercise 2C, and from question number 5th we have to start. Okay, so here is the solution of 5th question. So let me clear you one thing before starting. See, you must have the base of the identities and formulas. Okay, so as I'm taking a class after a long time, so you would have forgot the identities. Okay, so please just have a look on the identities and then you continue with this video. Okay, so the question is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 28. So how I'm writing this this expression as x cube plus 3x square plus 3x, I'm splitting this 28 as 1 plus 27. Okay, now using the identity a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube, which is the identity. That means identity of a plus b the whole cube is this one. So I'm using see this thing. First of all, you have one you should have one question, that why I have written this 28 as 1 plus 27, because as you see, this is x cube and this is 3x square and this is plus of 3x. And if I compare this 3 term with this 3 term, that means it is saying that if your a is x, then what could be your b? Your b has to be 1, because if you put if you put x in place of a, this will be x cube and this will be 3x square, and it is already, there's nothing b here, so that is why we are considering b as 1. And you can cross check with this also. That is why we are writing 28 as 1 plus 27. So that is how we got this identity, and I'm writing this expression as x cube and this as 3 this one 3 into 1 square x, because because or you can just consider, you can write it like 3 into, that is a square, which is x square, into 1, then this is 3x, so 3 into x into 1 square, so b is what, 1, and 1 can be written as 1 cube and 21 as it is. So in place of this whole, we can write x plus 1 the whole cube plus 27. Okay, this is cube, 27 is 3 cube. Now using a cube plus b cube identity, a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b bracket of a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so a, what is our a? This is x plus 1, so a plus this is b, and bracket this bracket a square, that is x plus 1 the whole square minus ab, x plus 1 into 3 plus b square, that is 3 square. So x plus 1 plus 3 is what, 4. Expand by using a plus b the whole square identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus, this will be what, 3x minus 3, and 3 square is what, 9. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 9 is what, plus of 7. 2x minus 3x is minus of x, and x square as it is. So this is the final answer. Okay. Alright, let us come to the C question. It says x cube minus 3x minus 1 plus 3 upon x minus 1 upon x cube. So we have to use a cube and a cube plus minus b cube identity, either plus 1 or minus 1 depending on the solution of the question. So for that we need some a cube and some b cube in our question. So what we are doing for that, see, I'm trying to arrange the equation. How I'm arranging, this was the question, this is x cube and minus 1 upon x cube, this is 3x, minus of 3x I have written here, and plus of 3 upon x, and minus 1 I have wrote at the last. Okay, now see, I'm writing this x cube as x the whole cube and 1 upon x cube as, leaving some space here, 1 upon x the whole cube. So I can understand that my a is what, x, and b is what, 1 upon x. So that is how I have to just mold this, as the formula says, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, and this is the identity of a minus b the whole cube. So I'm trying to make this as a minus b the whole cube. So for that I'm writing this minus of 3x as this formula 3 into what, this x the whole x square into 1 upon x, because b is what, 1 upon x, and plus this formula 3a is what, x, and b square, that is 1 upon x the whole square. Are you, I think you are getting this one, and minus 1 as it is. And if you solve this, please don't solve this and write in the next step. No, otherwise you will get the same step as of this. We only wrote this minus 3x as this and 3 upon x as this. Why? Just to show that this is an identity of x minus 1 upon x the whole cube minus 1. Minus 1, this minus and this 1 can be written as 1 cube. Alright, now a cube minus b cube. So what is a cube minus b cube identity? A cube minus b cube is a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This is the identity. So a minus b bracket a square minus plus ab plus b square. Okay, now what we can do from here, just last step, this x and x you can cancel. So x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, now after that, how you can do after this? We did one mistake. See, this is the x, this is a, and this is b. So a minus b, and in this bracket we did one mistake, and that is this is a square, then this is a, and this is b the whole square. Okay, so please see these things. Okay, now open the bracket, x square plus 1 upon x square minus of 2. When you will solve, you will get this. Okay, you can solve it in the rough, plus 1. Okay, so anything cancelling? No, nothing is being cancelled. So finally we can write x square, then plus of x, then plus of 1 upon x square minus 1 upon x, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus of 1. So this is the final answer. Okay. Okay, let us come to the D question. So D question I'm doing the same fifth one. A cube plus 7b cube plus 6ab bracket a plus 2b. This is the question. First of all, multiply the 6ab inside to get these two. Okay. Now a cube, then 6a square b, then 12ab square, and plus of 7b cube. Now, as in, we have to make one identity of that a plus b the whole cube or a minus b the whole cube, whatever. And then we will be using a cube plus minus b cube identity. The same criteria we are going to do in this one also. So as you see that these two, we have to check that what will be our a. A is already a only. Okay. We have to find what will be our b. So what I'm doing, as you have a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube identity, which is a plus b the whole cube. So I'm dividing this with this, 6a square b upon 3a square b. So a square b to a square b, this to this, I'm getting 2 as answer. So just understand that how I'm doing. I'm writing this 6 as 3 into a square into 2b. Can we write like this? Yes, because 3 2s are 6, a square and b here. I'm writing this 12b as 3 into a into 2b the whole square. How? 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, a and b here, b square. Now I'm writing this 7b cube as 8b cube minus b cube. Can we write 8b cube minus b cube will give you 7b cube only? And why I'm writing 8b cube? Because this can be written as 2b the whole cube. Okay. So in the next step, your next step will be the same. Just you write in place of this 8b cube, you just write 2b the whole cube. which I am writing directly in this step, but when you solve, just mention it in the other step. Okay, now this whole expression can be written as a plus 2 the whole cube minus b cube. See, this b cube is here. Now you can use a cube minus b cube identity, which is a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So a plus 2 minus b, a plus 2 the whole square minus, plus a minus 2b plus b the whole square. Okay, so here this will be a minus b plus 2 or a plus 2 minus b, that is same at a time, a square plus, so a square plus 4 plus 4a plus ab minus 2b plus b square. If anything is adding, you can add it, otherwise this is the final answer. Please wait, see, this we haven't added b here, so it is 2b. Okay, you just make the correction, 2b here, also 2b, 2b. Okay, so 2b minus b will give you plus of b, so this 2 won't be there. Okay, 2b minus b is b, and here it will be 4b square plus 4ab. Okay, and this is ab and minus of 2b square plus b square. So at last, see what will be the answer, a plus b bracket a square, then plus of 4ab plus ab will give you 5ab, 4b square minus 2b square, 2b square, and 2b square, 2b square, see this 4b square and minus of 2b square plus b square, this is here 2b will be there, so 4b, so 4b square plus 4b square, 8b square, and 8b square minus of, wait, that was becoming somewhat confusing, so I rubbed all, and just understand one more time. See, a cube minus b cube identity we have to apply. So this is our a and this is our b, so a minus b, then bracket a square, that is a plus 2b the whole square plus ab, that is a plus 2b, and this is b plus, and b square will be what, b square only. Okay, now 2b minus b will give you b, so a minus a plus b, open the identity, a square plus 4b square plus 4ab plus, multiply this inside, so ab plus 2b square plus b square, then a plus b bracket a square as it is, 4ab plus ab will give you 5ab, and 4b square plus 2b square, that is 6b square plus b square will give you 7b square. So this is the final answer. Okay, let us come to the sixth b question. This question is based on the expression of identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is a plus b plus c bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus bc minus ca minus ab. So this was the question. Okay, a can be written as a whole cube, 8b cube can be written as 2b the whole cube, 27c cube is written as 3c the whole cube minus of, see, I'm writing this according to the identity as 3 into a into b, that is 2b, into c, that is 3c. If you multiply, you will get this. Okay, so this, so can we apply the identity, because these two are looking somewhat same, so we can use identity this. So a plus b plus c, that is a plus 2b plus 3c bracket a square, that is a square, b square means 2b the whole 2b square, then 3c square minus of bc, that is 2b into 3c, then ca, so 3c into a, and minus of ab, that is a into 2b, and when you will do, you will get this as a answer. Okay, just come to the seventh b question. What does this say is, we have to factorize 2a minus b minus c the whole cube plus 2b minus c minus a the whole cube plus 2c minus a minus b the whole cube. Now you would be thinking that we will use the cube identities and will solve, but you see this is the three termed, so as in you haven't studied about the three termed cube, so what logic we are going to use, just please understand it very thoroughly. Okay, As we know, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to this expression, a plus b plus c and this bracket. Now if your a plus b plus c becomes 0, that means this bracket becomes 0, then this will be 0 into this full bracket, and this whole term, that means your RHS will become what? 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. And when you take this minus of 3abc that side, so your a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc, provided if your a plus b plus c is 0, then only this identity you can use. So I have solved this identity because we are going to use this thing in our question. So this is your a, this is your b, this is your c. As on adding the expressions, okay, let us add these three expressions. So this is a and this is b and this is c, and when I've added, see, this minus of a and minus of a, it is cancelled with this a, and this plus of 2b, minus of b, minus of b, minus of 2b can be cancelled with this one, and this is also cancelled, and you got 0 as the answer. Okay, so can we use a cube plus b cube plus c cube as 3abc? So we only need to calculate 3 into a into b into c. So 3 into this a into b into c. Now this is your duty to calculate. Just multiply this 3 bracket, multiply 3 inside also, and then you will get the answer. Okay. If you see the a part, that is also same logic you have to use. In that question also the same steps you have to write. Okay, let us come to this 8th B question. We have to factorize a to the power 12 minus b to the power 12. Okay, so how we are writing this? I'm writing this 12 as a to the power 4 whole power 3, because 4 3s are 12, and b to the power 12 as b to the power 4 whole power cube, that is same. Okay, now we are using a cube minus b cube identity because whole cube is there in both of the term. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so a is a to the power 4 and b is b to the power 4. So a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, and a square, that is a to the power 4 whole square plus ab, a to the power 4 into b to the power 4, and b square, that is b to the power 4 whole square. Now we need to factorize this bracket and this bracket. So how I'm explaining you this question, first of all let me take this bracket and factorize it, and then secondly we'll take this bracket and we'll factorize it, and on a combination we'll write at last that this is the whole factorized form of a to the power 12 b to the power 12. So firstly a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. A to the power 4 can be written as a square whole square because 2 2s are 4, and this is also b square whole square. Now a square minus b square identity is what? A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, using identity. Okay, so using the identity, that is a plus b and a minus b. This is a plus b, a minus b. Again you can use identity here. So a square plus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So this is the factorization of this bracket. Now let us come to this bracket. Okay, this is the second bracket we are doing. So this was a to the power 4 whole square plus a to the power 4 b to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 whole square. So how we are going to factorize this? See, we can use a square, we can use a plus b the whole square, a plus minus b the whole square identity, which is a plus minus b 2ab plus b square. A plus b the whole square identity is for the plus 1, and for the minus 1 minus here. So we have a square, we have b square, this is a square, this is b square. Okay, and a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Here should be 2 a to the power 4 b to the power 4, then only we can use the identity. So what I'm doing in this particular step, I'm adding this and subtracting this one. Okay, so these two becomes 2 times. So a to the power 4 whole square plus b to the power 4 whole square plus minus like this. Okay, so again how can we write this now? In place of this we can write a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 whole square minus a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Okay, this bracket I've written as this, and here as it is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Can we write it as ab the power whole 4 by the laws of indices, which you already did? Okay, so we can write this ab to the whole power 4, because a to the power 4 into b to the power 4. And can we write this a whole 4 as square the whole square? Okay, because square 2 2s are 4, and this will be 4 ab the whole 4 is this only. So we can write this in place of this one. Okay, now a square minus b square, again you can use the identity to get a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus ab square, and a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus of a square b square. Okay, then see, this a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4, this is a square b square. Now see, again, see, in this step only I'm explaining you. A to the power 4 can be written as a square whole square, and this b to the power 4 b square whole square plus this is a square b square. Okay, now this is again in this bracket, and here we can use the identity a square plus b square plus 2ab. See what I did here, plus a to the power 4 b to the power 4 and minus a to the power 4 b to the power 4, same you can do here. So plus of a square b square minus of a square b square. Why we are doing? Because these two will be getting added and we'll get a square plus b square plus 2ab identity. We can use that easily. That is why we are doing this one. Okay, and this bracket is as it is. Okay, don't just do nothing in this one, because we cannot expand this one or factorize this more. So let this bracket be as it is. Now this 2 will become 2ab, so a square whole square plus b square whole square plus of 2 a square b square and minus of this a square b square, we are writing ab the whole square, and this bracket is as it is. Now again you can use the identity here. Which identity you can use? A square plus b square the whole square and minus ab the whole square, and this bracket is as it is. Okay, now see, this is somewhat a complicated, a big question. Okay, so please understand it very, because we are doing nothing, we are not doing any other like rocket science logic. All the things are familiar with you. Okay, you just only need to understand. Now again, a square minus b square identity, that is a plus b and a minus of b, and this bracket as it is. What is this bracket here? So a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 minus a square b square. So finally, solving that bracket, a to the power 8 plus a to the power 4 b to the power 4 plus b to the power 8, we got this 3 brackets. And what was the factorization of a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4? That was a square plus b square, a plus b and a minus b. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, the 6 brackets, the answer will be a to the power 12 minus b to the power 12. This is the factorization of this whole. Okay, similarly, please try to solve the questions which I have given you for the homework. Just try them, okay, because that will give you a very good idea of solving the algebra and using the identities. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.